So may bago na naman akong bagong dating na na RC helicopter. So from XK. Ito yung this is the XK K160. I think this is the newest and latest RC helicopter from XK. I think this is a helicopter with of course altitude hold and 6-axis gyro stabilization, brushless motor, I guess, hopefully. And yeah, this one is XK K160 from XK. So this is a very beautiful RC helicopter. I believe this is the latest RC helicopter from XK. And this one is also very beautiful, but I think this is coming soon. This one is the latest and the newest arrival RC helicopter, XK K160, guys. So take a look. I think this is a Eurocopter. So without further ado, let's I want to unbox, and I want to show you guys what comes in the package aside from RC helicopter and remote controller. And I think this is a 3.8 volts battery, just like the XK K170. So let's see here. This servo. Alright, with the automatic takeoff and landing. Alright, it's already open, so let's check the package. I think they already tested this before shipping out. Anyway, let's find out what comes in the package. Ta-da! Oh, they always include a launch pad, just like in the package of XK K170. A helipad, they always include a helipad. Oops, I think this is the user manual. Yeah, XK K170 instruction manual. Alright, so I'm gonna be reading this later on. So this is the package. This is the inside of the package. Wow, let's open the outer cover, top cover. All right, so yeah, the same as XK K170, 3.8 volts battery. I think this is 800 milliamperes. So I think I purchased the package that comes with the extra battery, so meaning 2 batteries all in all. Yeah, so battery, charger. It's just also very simple package. These are the extra blades, gear, and tail blade, and the screwdriver. Yeah, main blade, and the basic remote controller, and of course the RC helicopter. Yeah, very nice. Yeah, brushless. Oh, it almost touched the tail fin. Let's see. Yeah, so this one is coreless motor, the tail motor. I think the main motor is brushless. So take a look, guys. I think you can see. Nice, very detailed design, and wow. Let's see. Oh, it includes the entire canopy. Alright. Okay, different design from the previous one. The XK K170 is, I mean, you can just access the battery the battery slot from XKK 170 by just opening the nose of the RC helicopter. But this one, you have to open the almost entire canopy, top canopy of the RC helicopter. So this one has an extra battery, so I'm right, I ordered the one with the extra battery. Alright, so yeah, very basic and very simple RC helicopter that comes with the extra battery. Alright, so I have to charge the batteries to prepare for the maiden flight, maybe a bit later or tomorrow. That's it. You just hear a ticking noise, then it means it's locked in place. Alright. Alright guys, so that's it. So XKK 160 rescue helicopter, 2.4 gigahertz, so ready to fly. Comes with of course the aircraft, the remote controller, 2 batteries, charger, this one, extra blades and the screwdriver, extra gear just in case, and the launching pad, helipad, and the instruction manual. So that is guys, so watch out for the short maiden flight of this RC helicopter. I think no, it doesn't come with optical flow. So anyway, I'm not a fan of optical flow for the RC helicopters. Even the altitude hold, I'm not a fan of altitude hold, but there's nothing we can do because this is the trend now of the RC helicopter. It comes with the altitude hold, and some are including a optical flow for much better takeoff and landing, for more stable flight. Anyway, alright, so I'll see you later for the maiden flight. XKK 160 guys, look at this. Micro RC helicopter, nice, but the color is not that attractive. I think they should use a bit brilliant color, more attractive color than this one, gray, black and gray. So I'm not that impressed with the color of this RC helicopter. But anyway, this is the latest and the newest RC helicopter from XK. So watch out for the maiden flight of this RC helicopter guys. Hopefully it flies well. Right, so it's ready to fly package guys. So thank you for watching, and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Nice.